Yo, what's going on? It's your man David down at Crosstown Chrysler in Edmonton, Alberta. And from the used car superstore is this 2015 Mitsubishi RVR SE. Let's take a closer look. Underneath the hood, you'll find a 2-liter MIVEC 4-cylinder engine. It puts out excellent fuel economy and is actually pretty quiet. You'll find power mirrors, power windows, window lock, and power locks. This is your main key. Nice Mitsubishi badge on the back of it. It's also keyless entry. It's an unlock button, a lock button, and a panic button. Inside, you'll find chrome door handles on all the doors. Taking a look at the back seat here, you'll see that there is plenty of footroom for passengers. Headroom is also fantastic throughout. Fold down back seat middle armrest with 2 cup holders. You'll see there's a pocket on the back of the driver's seat. If you want to fold down the back seats so you can haul bigger things, it's very easy. Just go here, just push this in like this, and you can fold down the seat. Same goes for the other side. Just push this down and boom, there you go. Now you can see with the back seats down, there's a lot more space to haul larger items. Even with the back seats up, there's a good amount of room for things. Hey, can't go wrong with a spare tire, that's for sure. Spot for your hand to go so you can easily pull down the liftgate. This has LED taillights on the back. Your rear window wiper is there too. Also, this has all-wheel control. Oh yeah. This Mitsubishi RVR only has 96,870 kilometers on it. Fog lights are always handy to have. Easily turn off the traction control. In the wintertime, you're really going to love the heated seats. There's a low setting and a high setting for the front passengers. Automatic transmission, that's fantastic. And here is the all-wheel control, which you can engage. Easy to use climate controls. Just your fan speed, air conditioning. Awesome. Leather wrapped steering wheel. Cruise control on the right. This does have Bluetooth and voice recognition. Setup.
Select one of the following: pairing options, confirmation prompts, language, passcode.
Can't go wrong with Bluetooth. It's great to go hands-free while talking on the phone. Easy to use media center. Got some unique styling touches here in the middle. In the middle console storage area, you'll see a 12-volt power outlet and a USB port so you can play your own music. You now know what it is. It's the 2015 Mitsubishi RVR SE with all-wheel control, powered by a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine underneath the hood. It has Bluetooth and voice recognition, cruise control, cloth interior seats. It's in mercury gray metallic exterior. Fog lights too. Come book a test drive at Crosstown Chrysler today, because you know what? This could be the next vehicle that you could be driving. I'm your man David, and I'll talk to you later. Yeah.